I'm Lewis with BMW Manhattan, and welcome to your virtual BMW Encore. Today we're going to focus on the 3 Series and comfort access. Keeping with the trunk of your 3 Series, another valuable feature are the 40-20-40 split folding rear seats. These are great if you need to load larger or longer items into the trunk of your car. To drop the rear seats, pull on either the left or the right handle, and the seat releases. Then, go to the inside and pull down the rear seat. That's going to wrap it up on your BMW Virtual Encore on the BMW 3 Series. Many of the features available on your 3 Series are the same as those available on an X7, an X5, or a BMW 7 Series. Take a look at the other videos available on our channel to see which features and functions work for you. My name is Lewis with BMW Manhattan. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow us on all of our social channels, BMWNYC on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.